Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa kabar anak-anak? Semoga hari ini kalian dalam keadaan sehat walafiat. Oke, sekarang kita sudah memasuki pembelajaran bahasa Inggris lesson 12 tentang we must stay calm. Kalian akan mempelajari kata must and must not or mustn't. Must, kata seharusnya, must not, tidak seharusnya. And a quick safe tips, dan tips menghindari bencana gempa bumi. Part A. Look at the picture and practice the dialogue. Jainab, what is going on? Is it a quake moon? Have you ever experienced an earthquake? Never? What must we do? We must stay calm. We must drop to the ground and cover our head and neck. Let's go under the table now. Jenab, apa yang terjadi? Oh, ini gempa bumi, Mun. Pernahkah kamu mempunyai pengalaman menghadapi gempa bumi? Never, tidak pernah. What must we do? Apa yang harus kita lakukan? The first, you must stay calm. Yang pertama, kamu harus tetap tenang. And next, we must drop to the ground and cover our head and neck. Dan kita harus menunduk. Kemudian melindungi kepala dan leher kita. Let's go under the table now. Ayo cepat kita pergi ke bawah meja sekarang ini. Next, part B. Listen to the recording and repeat out loud. Picture 1. Drop to the ground. Picture 2. Don't panic. Picture 3. Cover our head and neck. Picture 4. Don't rush to the door. Picture 5. Hold on. Picture 6. Stay indoor until the shaking stops. Picture 7. Be careful with the damage. Jadi, ini adalah beberapa tips menghindari bencana gempa. Gambar pertama, drop to the ground. Kita langsung menunduk ke bawah, mencari meja, dan berlindung di bawah meja. Gambar kedua, don't panic, jangan panik. Gambar ketiga, cover our head and neck, lindungi leher dan kepala. Gambar keempat, don't rush to the door, jangan berlari ke arah pintu. Gambar kelima, hold on, berpeganganlah pada kaki meja. Stay indoor until the shaking stop. Tetap berada di dalam ruangan sampai goncangan mereda atau berhenti. Gambar ketujuh, berhati-hatilah dengan kerusakan-kerusakan yang ada. Misalkan contoh seperti bingkai-bingkai foto yang jatuh, jendela yang pecah, ataupun lemari yang jatuh ya. Jadi ini 7 tips dalam menghadapi bencana gempa bumi. Next, part C. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Isilah titik-titik dengan kata dari dalam kotak. Number 1. We must blanks our body to the ground. Kami seharusnya titik-titik badan kita di bawah. Ya, lihat gambarnya dan lihat kosakata vocabulary yang bagian B. Apa itu jawabannya? Oke, good. Next, number 2. We must not blanks We must stay calm. Kami tidak seharusnya. What the answer? Look at the picture. Good. Number 3. We must blank our head and neck. Kami seharusnya. Looks at the picture. Good. Number 4. We must not blank to the door. Okay. Kami tidak seharusnya titik-titik to the door. Look at the picture. What the answer? Good. Next, number 5. We must blank to the table leg. Good. Now part D. Read the text and answer the question. Pada bagian D, kita hanya mengerjakan tugas membaca, reading the text. Indonesia often experiences earthquakes. An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the earth's surface. It is caused by the movement of the earth's plates. Earthquakes cause a lot of damage. Many houses, roads, bridges, and buildings are ruined. They also cause natural disasters like tsunamis and landslides. They can also cause injuries to babies, kids, and adults. During an earthquake, we must protect ourselves. If we are in a building, we must not panic. We must drop to the ground and go under a table. Then, we must cover our head and neck. We also must hold the table leg until the shaking stops. We must stay away from anything that could fall or break, such as windows or cupboards. Tugas kalian bagian D hanya membaca. Next, part E. Match the sentences with the correct picture. Pasangkan kalimat dengan gambar yang tepat. Number 1. Hold on. Number 2. Stay indoors. Number 3. Don't panic. Number 4. Drop to the ground. Number 5. Don't rush the door. What the answer is? Okay. Look at part B. You can answer this question. Oke anak-anak, inilah tugas kalian Bahasa Inggris lesson 12 yang harus kalian kerjakan, yaitu bagian C, part D, and part E. Selamat mengerjakan, semoga dimudahkan dan dilancarkan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.